Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You should have Administrator Access and the Program Shortcut, or EXE, ready. Right-click the file in File Explorer and choose Properties so you can edit compatibility settings. You're doing this because Windows may force older runtime modes that break modern apps. Removing those settings restores normal behavior. Once done, move to the Compatibility tab and don't pause. The next step is where you actually turn compatibility off, so keep the Properties window open. In the Compatibility tab, uncheck Run this program in compatibility mode for. So no legacy OS is selected. That clears the main override. Next, click Change Settings for all users and remove any checked boxes there to ensure system-wide defaults aren't forcing compatibility. If Windows suggested compatibility fixes earlier, use the Run Compatibility Troubleshooter to test. Then reverse any applied fixes so the app runs under current Windows APIs. Make sure to hit Apply so changes persist. Apply your changes and close Properties, then launch the program to confirm normal behavior. Many apps start correctly without any compatibility flags. If the app still runs under compatibility, restart Windows to clear any cached state. As a last resort, you can remove the specific app compat layers entry for the EXE under HKey current user /software, /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version, /.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.